So, today apparently I'm a good husband. And,
always good husband, not just today.
Well, especially today. So, yeah, because the other day when I was in London on the Woolwich ferry, she was like, yeah, I want to go on the trip, I want to go on the trip. Well, I mean, it's just the ferry over the River Thames. It's like a 10-minute trip. It's not much of a day out.
When you sit in an office for 12 hours straight, it's like... Even a walk to the garbage bins outside is like a walk in a park.
So anyway, yeah, and the other day I decided just to basically check out Google Maps a bit and see what was near, and I found the Rutland Water Nature Reserve. So I went like, yeah, I want to take the wife there.
Yeah, we're here, gonna explore a bit.
Yeah, so let's see what it's all about.
That's a bit concerning, isn't it?
Oh dear. Oh dear. So, guess we're about to enter the jungle. After you.
Or not? Oh, you need to open that, okay.
What the fuck? Oh, there's a rat, look. Yeah, it's gone now. It's gone now.
You walked all over it.
You're safe to go.
Mind you, I do have a slight phobia of birds. Pet them or?
I think so. They might just bite you. Yeah, that's about it.
Well, crush me like a peanut.
Yeah.
Hi there.
Oh, hello. Just enjoying a bit of fresh air.
And the view.
And the view, yeah. It's gorgeous out here.
You're gorgeous.
I can't believe I didn't know this before. I mean, I didn't know this existed. So. And I've been here for what? 4.5 years?
Yeah, it's pretty hidden.
Well, it is, but still. It wasn't that hard to find on Google Maps.
What? We're on a mission, exploring UK. Nearby.
Yeah.
In the radius of what? Hour and a half.
That was about 45 minutes, I think, if you don't count McDonald's breakfast. It is nice. did you feed the birds?
The ducks.
The ducks.
The ducks.
The ducks.
I'm not a fan of birds,
You're not a fan of birds.
but ducks are okay.
Ducks are cute. Quack, 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 quack.